Hello friends, welcome to Tough Club Shopping. Let's make mutton Rogan Josh today. This is a very tasty recipe. For this you have to cook the mutton in pressure cooker and keep it ready. Let me summarize the ingredients very quickly for you. It will contain mutton stock. Stock is the water which we get after cooking the mutton. We need onion paste, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and ginger powder, fennel seeds powder, and saffron. To understand the complete procedure in detail, please watch the video till the end. So keep watching. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for watching the recipe. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Tough Club Shopping. Thank you so much and keep watching for more such interesting videos.